Imagine a day when an unexpected visitor comes knocking at your door. It's fever. You might feel a little hot under the collar, your head might throb, and your energy might dip. It's not the most pleasant surprise, is it? But don't worry. It's just your body's way of telling you it's time to slow down, to take a breather. It's vital to take this sign seriously. Hydrate and rest. Remember, with a little bit of tender, loving care, you'll soon start to feel better. Now that fever has made its unwanted entrance, what do? We fight it. And how do we do that? Let's break it down. First and foremost, hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water helps keep the body's functions running smoothly, and that includes fighting off fever. Next, we've got to keep ourselves warm. Wrapping up in cozy clothing aids in maintaining body heat, which can be crucial when our bodies are busy battling a fever. But it's not all about what we can do on our own. Following the doctor's advice and taking medication as prescribed is just as important. Remember, those medications are designed to help our bodies in this fight. And lastly, never underestimate the power of your own body. It's built to withstand challenges, including fevers. So give it the credit it deserves. Soon enough, you'll be back in flight, ready to take on the world. In this battle against fever, one of your strongest weapons is rest. You see, when we sleep, our bodies go into repair mode. Our cells regenerate, our energy is restored, and our immune system is given a boost. It's like having a team of tiny superheroes working tirelessly to get you back on your feet. Now, warmth is another key player. Wrapping up in a cozy blanket isn't just comforting, it helps keep your body's temperature stable, aiding in the healing process. And then there's time. It's a slow dance, a gentle rhythm that allows the body to heal at its own pace. As the hours pass, the fever starts to say its goodbyes. Hold on tight, don't fret. With a little patience, the fever will soon be a forgotten memory. Remember, when fever comes knocking, don't be alarmed. Rest, hydrate, and wrap up warm. Your body is resilient, it's your strongest force. With a little tender love and care, you'll be back in flight in no time. Listen to your doctor's advice, take your medicine right, and let time do its magic. It's a simple formula of medicine, love, and patience that helps us chase away the fever. Sleep away the hours, let your body heal, and soon enough that fever will say goodbye. Fever, you won't stay long. We'll sing this song till you're all gone.